guys, JJ the Illuminator here with another mini vlog. Still under the weather, trying to get things done, you know, really not working out to the best of my ability. Actually, it is working out to the best of my ability because my abilities today are just shot. Anyone that's been sick with a chest cold can pretty much figure out exactly how I'm feeling, which is pretty much everybody out there. But I think the worst part for me is having a cough, and it's not like a sore throat right now. It's more like all in my chest. So the hard part is sleeping when you just keep coughing and it's just a dry cough because none of the stuff has loosened up yet. It sucks. It really does. But hopefully I'm on the mend. We'll see what happens day by day. And I'm just resting up as much as I can, which right now is a lot. I won't be lying to you. So anyway, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're feeling well. Sail Eversky, I'm off to the races. I love you all. This is the Illuminator, and I'll be back. All right, I'll taste it. Where's the spoon? Aha! Aha!